Hi everybody, just a quick video to talk briefly about a woman in her 70s who likes to come and do some pottery in my shop every now and then. This is what I call my soup bowl or my chili bowl. It's a bowl, it's altered, and then little handles put on. She wanted to make a couple of those, so I said, okay, here's a finished product. Then I demoed one for her, showed her how I took a piece of wood and I pushed in right here and bulged it out afterwards, did a little altering, gave her a quick demo on how to pull a handle, gave her some options for how to put a handle on, and then she sat down and she did a couple herself. Now we're talking about somebody who's done very little throwing. I mean, this is probably, I don't know, maybe her 7th and 8th piece in her life. Aren't they just lovely? I'm so proud of her. And she made a little mug. I don't want to misrepresent her age, but she's 70-something. She doesn't look it, but she is. Only been throwing, like I said, maybe 8 to 12 pieces, and they've all been done here. So I'm real proud of her, and I'll show you them when they're glazed as well. Thanks for watching.